at the face components of a Dexter DL2X30 dryer. The upper decals come together. It's the same part number. You can't order them separately. To remove these, I really recommend masking off around them first. For the curves here, just put a piece of tape straight over it. Use your fingernail to get the edge real tight, and then use a razor blade to trim it and pull the excess off. This will just protect your paint from any heavy scratches while you're scraping the sticker off. The paint does scratch pretty easily. And then you have the door rim gasket here, the door glass, the door handle, the glass gasket, control lock and key, the center overlay, the lint drawer lock and key, the upper lint drawer decal. We have the lower decal here, and then the lower lint drawer decal. Now for the keypad here, there's two different numbers. You have one with the ribbon on the top and one with the ribbon on the bottom. You'll have to pull your computer out, and when you look at your old one, you'll see right here, like the little red window, this ribbon is pretty much below the window, and this one here, the ribbon's above it. Just make sure you get the right one.